If you're looking for a way to effectively track and manage client time on projects using SuiteDash, then you're in the right place. SuiteDash is an all-in-one platform designed to help businesses streamline their workflows, and today we're going to focus on how you can utilize it to manage client time effectively. Stick around because, at the end of this video, I'll also introduce a few powerful alternatives you should consider for the same goal, and some exclusive offers you won't find anywhere else. First, let's dive into the client time tracking feature. SuiteDash offers built-in time tracking, which means you can log hours directly within the platform. It's as simple as selecting a project, adding a task, and clicking on the timer to start tracking time. This can be a game changer if you're managing multiple projects, as it helps you stay on top of billable hours, deadlines, and client expectations. Next thing, the time tracking is fully integrated with the project management tools. Once you've tracked time, it's automatically logged under the corresponding task or project. This makes it super easy to generate reports later on without needing to manually cross-reference data. For those who manage client billing, this integration is incredibly useful because it can also calculate billable hours based on your rate, which takes the guesswork out of invoicing. The fourth thing that sets SuiteDash apart is its client portal. This feature allows clients to view their project's progress, check the time logs, and even approve or comment on the work done so far. It's a great way to keep your clients in the loop and avoid any misunderstandings when it comes to time spent on the project. The transparency it provides can help build trust and satisfaction among your clients. Now, let's talk about how SuiteDash handles notifications. You can set up automated alerts to remind you or your team to track time for specific tasks or projects. This ensures that no hours are missed and that everything is up to date, saving you the headache of hunting down time logs later. These alerts are customizable, so you can adjust them to fit your workflow and avoid unnecessary distractions. The next thing to consider is the reports and analytics SuiteDash offers. After tracking time, SuiteDash generates reports that break down the hours logged, giving you detailed insights into how time is spent on each project. This is especially useful when reviewing your productivity or analyzing the efficiency of certain tasks. And for anyone looking to improve their time management, these reports can act as a guide for optimization. However, while SuiteDash is feature-rich, there are some drawbacks. The time tracking feature isn't as intuitive as some dedicated time tracking tools, and you may find yourself needing more advanced reporting options for larger teams. SuiteDash's interface can also feel overwhelming for those who aren't familiar with comprehensive project management systems, so be prepared for a bit of a learning curve. So, before I wrap up, here's something to keep in mind. SuiteDash is great for small to medium-sized teams looking for an all-in-one solution, but if your focus is solely on tracking time and managing projects with more flexibility, there are alternatives that might serve your needs better. And that brings us to the alternatives. There are other software tools that offer a more streamlined, intuitive time tracking experience. These platforms focus heavily on time management, providing better insights and easier interfaces for tracking client time on projects. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In the description below, you'll find a link to an exclusive, extended free trial of SuiteDash. Plus, I've added some amazing alternatives that provide great time tracking and project management features, with free trials available as well. These tools offer solutions that might better match your specific goals. So make sure to check the link for your best options and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. So whether you decide to stick with SuiteDash or explore something new, you're covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link for your best free trial.